Hello, and welcome to the Uncle Dumb Show. Today we're going to be talking more about finances and money. And today we're going to be talking about how you should price yourself if you are a freelancer. Yes, I know a lot of people are trying to make money online nowadays, but they're kind of lost on like how much they should charge and all that. So let me give you a brief introduction of how you should do that. Okay, what I want you to do right now is go to Google, search for your country and minimum wage. My country's minimum wage is 1,500 ringgit per month. So if I pull up the calculator right here, 1,500 divided by 20 days minus weekends in a month divided by 8 hours per day, assuming you're working 9 to 5. 9 ringgit and 38 cents. Oh yeah, if you are not from my country, basically you just divide this number by 4 and you will get the USD amount. So this is around $2.50 per hour, which is very low. So your job as a freelancer who is starting out is to beat that price. Beat the minimum wage. Okay. So yeah, because why? Time versus money. This is going to be a very important thing that I will keep repeating over and over again throughout this video. Time versus money. Work smart, not work hard. Okay, so let me give you an example. So what I do as a part-time hustle is I make piano pieces on Fiverr, and I usually charge around 40 USD for 2 to 3 hours of my time. So let's be a bit optimistic here. 40 USD divided by, let's say, 2 hours of my time. So I earn around 20 USD per hour. So let's say if it's a full 9 to 5 job, 20 times 8 hours per day times 20 hours per month. 20 days per month. Oh my god. So that equates to around 3,200 USD per month, which is around 13,000 ringgit. But here's the thing though. I am not a machine. I'm not a robot. I cannot make a piano track every single hour of the day. So instead of working every single day 9 to 5, what if I just work 2 hours per day? There we go. By working 2 hours per day, I'm already earning 3,360 ringgit. But it is possible though. I mean, I'm only spending 2 hours per day and I'm already earning 3,003. Apologies, my alarm just went off. I'm already earning 3,360 ringgit per month. So what do you do with all the other time? You spend it on other businesses, or you just work like a full-time job or something. You have 22 hours left in a day. That is literally the whole day. Okay, one tip that I have is charge the same but spend less time on doing that thing. So if you're earning, okay, let's say if you're given a project for 50 USD but you take 5 hours to do that project, you're basically earning the same as a person who only earns 10 bucks for 1 hour. What you want to do is you want to spend less time doing that thing. And how can you spend less time? By making things formulated. So one thing I like to do with my piano pieces is, instead of making a new piano piece every single time, I just make it into a formula. So I can just rinse and repeat the same thing over and over again. It doesn't matter what you're doing. You can be doing drawings, you can be doing, I don't know, website design. Rinse and repeat, turn it into a formula and deliver it. And yeah, there we go. That is already 5 minutes of today. I hope that was useful. Have a nice day. Good luck. Follow me at ClassShift on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Johnny.